Let's have a look at another admission ratio sums. So this sum goes as Govind and Gopal are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio 5:4. They admit Rahim as a partner. Govind surrenders 2/9 of his shares. So out of his share he is giving up 2/9 of his share, and Gopal surrenders 1/9 of his share in favor of Rahim. So this is not as same as the previous sums which we have seen, because there they acquire and the old partner sacrifice their share. Here they are surrendering a portion of their own share. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio and the sacrificing ratio. So first let's take and write the old ratio of Govind and Gopal, which is 5:4. Convert that as the old share, which is 5/9 is to 4/9. Next, the surrender has been given. Therefore, we have to calculate the share sacrifice by using the following formula, which is old share into the proportion of the share sacrificed by the partner. So first let's find for Govind. So Govind's old share is 5/9 and Govind is surrendering 2/9 of his share towards a new partner. So when we multiply we get 10/81. So this 10/81 is the share sacrificed by Govind. Next for Gopal. Gopal old share is 4/9 and he surrenders 1/9 of his share towards a new partner. So as we multiply we get 4/81 as the share sacrifice. So the share sacrificed is 10/81 is to 4/81. 81 is a common denominator in both the share sacrifice. So we take the numerator and write that as the sacrificing ratio, which is 10:4. Now always check whether you are able to simplify the ratio. Both the ratios must be divisible in the same number. So 10 and 4 is divisible in the number 2. So I'm going to simplify it and write it as 5:2. Next we are going to find the new profit sharing ratio, which is old share minus the share sacrifice. So first for Govind. The old share of Govind is 5/9 minus share sacrifice. When we write, we go to the fraction part. Please do not take the ratio. So the fraction is 10/81. So when we take the LCM and subtract, we get 35/81, which is the new profit sharing ratio of the partner. Then we do for Gopal. Gopal's old share is 4/9 minus his share sacrifice is 4/81. So the new profit sharing ratio is 32/81 for Gopal. Next we go on to the new partner, who is Rahim. So again Rahim's share is not given. So as the previous sum which we saw for Vimala and Kamala, we are going to add the share sacrifice and get Rahim's share. So share of the new partner is the sum of the share sacrificed by Govind and Gopal. So 10/81 plus 4/81, which is 14/81. Next write down the new share of all the partners. 35/81 is to 32/81 is to 14/81. So make sure that the denominator is the same denominator. Now write the numerator separately. So new ratio will be 35 is to 32 is to 14.